All right, gang, picked up something a little bit special. I actually have a little bit of an older vehicle, and I picked up these replacement LED bulbs. These are made by FAHREN, and these go and replace my traditional H11 halogen bulbs here to provide a nice, whiter, a cleaner, a crisper, and a brighter illumination, and I absolutely love these. A couple reasons I picked these out over some of their competitors is these are designed to be a one-to-one replacement, and so they are almost identical in size to your traditional H11 bulbs. As you can see, for installation, smooth in, smooth out. They fit the exact same way that the H11 bulbs do. There's no special insertions. There's no special clips that you need or anything like that. It is a true one-to-one ratio, making it super easy to install, super natural to install. Another thing I love is while these are designed to be compatible with most vehicles, if you do need a CAN bus decoder, all you got to do is contact FAHREN and they will ship you one so that it reduces flicker and things like that that might happen in some vehicles. But finally, the reason that I picked these up is actually because they also come in a combo pack. So I've already replaced the ones for my headlamps, my headlights. As you can see, I'm missing those bulbs, but also I've got the matching set that goes with my fog lights. So I've got the H11s for my headlamps and the 9005s that go in my fog lamps, making it one purchase to cover all of the lighting needs for my vehicle, which I absolutely love. Listen, if you are looking to upgrade your bulbs or replace the current ones that you have in your vehicle, maybe you've got a headlight out, maybe you've got a fog light out, maybe you've got some mismatched bulbs in there. I think you're going to be really happy with these. They're made by FAHREN. Check them out.